Hello and welcome to today's cryptocurrency technical analysis video. I hope you are just as excited as I am because I'm going to bring you the latest news on the chart, starting off this video with covering some technical analysis on Bitcoin, and then I will end off the video with two big announcements. Without further ado, let's just dive straight into the video and let's go. So let's take a look at what's going on the chart for today. Obviously, probably you're here because you saw in the title, like, how will the tensions in the world affect the price on Bitcoin and other assets on the world today? Well, I can be extremely short about this. My personal vision on this is that there's always tension anywhere in the world. And yes, obviously there's always certain factors that weigh into or that could potentially influence price. But the real question here is, how can that help you make an informed decision? That's right, absolutely zero. And that is why we focus on the charts and why we focus on technical analysis, because that can actually give us clues as to how the chart is performing at the moment and where price might go next, or at the very least make an informed decision on how you want price to see proceed from here on out. So having that said, let's just focus on the chart and eliminating all the noise that is out there in the world, because it is absolutely irrelevant in the process of decision making, because all the decisions that you might make on how to approach these charts, you can find every single thing simply in the chart. Don't believe me? Well, pay good attention, because I am going to show you exactly how we came to bounce from this particular level on, and where is that leading us to, and potentially where the next resistance might be. Going to keep this analysis short, sweet, precise, and no nonsense, as you're used from us. So here we go, beginning with pulling a fixed range, starting from this consolidation area to this consolidation area, giving us instantly the resistance where we were dealing with this morning, and we have now broken through. Actually, if you would measure where this line of point of control actually is aligning from, basically on a higher term time frame, you can simply put a fixed range and find yourself having a point of control. And I'm actually referring here to the bigger drop on the higher term time frame. So just for context, this is the 69k high, and this is the low where we have bounced from currently. We can see that there is a clear point of control sitting over here. We have a point of control of this previous region literally over here, and that is actually the point of control that I'm aiming at, giving us more or less the bottom region of price. Something that I've covered a few weeks ago already in a live stream for the champion members that I do every single Sunday, giving this pretty much 2 weeks in advance, basically. And look at what we got here. Technical analysis proves that this has been support, and it is support. Not only is this a POC, but it is also a horizontal, a straight up, very simple, clear horizontal daily level that allowed us to make an actual informed decision. So what happened was we dove a little bit to the bottom of it, coming off of a descending triangle, dropped through it, but actually we reclaimed it, and in the process changing the market structure back to bullish locally, paving the way for yet another rise to the next resistance. And boy oh boy, why did we reject over here? Well, simply putting a Fibonacci level from high to low, giving us the exact level to the dollar, giving us an initial rejection over here, giving a little bit of a decline, getting a retest, testing this once again, putting in a double top, only to take out this high once again to our special CC level just above resistance, only to reject once again, putting in yet another higher low, and therefore on London Open, pushing finally through the level onwards to the next level, which in my opinion, the first probable level that we're going to reach is this daily level over here at $41,000 and 100. So in very short, a very quick analysis, we are now fully up to date as to why Bitcoin is bouncing, where it has gone and why it has gone there and why it has bounced there. And you will already quickly see in just the few minutes, less than 5 minutes, you will find a technical reason why price has behaved as it did. And this is the reason why. We are now simply above this level, which paves the way for the next level to be reclaimed then. If we reclaim that level, then we can simply look for higher prices. If we do not hold the level, then we can simply look for this level to be tested again. Simple, plain, but effective. Any news, any tension in the world cannot give you this level of accuracy and cannot give you the information that you need in order to make an informed decision such as this one. So I hope this gives you a little bit of insight in why I'm focusing on technical analysis, what is really going on the charts, and that you simply trade the probabilities based on what the chart is providing to you. Do not seek trades that are not there. Do not anticipate or speculate on wildly random external factors, but educate yourself and learn how to read this, and then you might also be able to find these kind of levels. Such as one of our members that has been studying very hard, Daniel Haddad, for example, did his own technical analysis, found out that we were putting in a top here on the backtest of that specific level that he identified coming from our courses, educating himself, doing this all by himself, entering into this really nice short trade, trading the entire drop in price down to the key level that based off his own analysis and his own educated decision. And you can see here the results. So you know, these are our members that are showing results, and you can see that it clearly works if you're able and if you educate yourself on how to read these charts. You are able to do this. So that would cover the technical analysis of today. Now I have obviously two nice announcements that I want to mention in this video, and then it's a wrap up and we're going to have to wait to the next video, till the next video. The first announcement is a really big one because in only 5 days we are officially launching an entirely new learning platform, specially made from scratch for you. Where we are, you're going to be provided with an entire learn platform. You can keep track of your learning progress. And of course, as time is going to progress, we're going to roll out many additional content updates. So keep an eye on our YouTube channel, keep an eye on our Twitter for further announcement as we work our way towards the launch. And as a matter of fact, also even tonight, we have our own professor, Daniel himself, covering in our live streams that we do every single Wednesday, going through Elliott waves from scratch, looking on a high-term time frame on what Bitcoin has done and might be doing in the future. So if that's up to you, then take a look at our website, subscribe, and leave us a like and comment below. Or even better, if you look in the description below, sign up for our newsletter so you will not miss any new updates that we are pushing out. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!